Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ade kudlala iOrlando Pirates versus iPolokwane City. iPolokwane City ade hostwe iOrlando Pirates kwi-game ye-Betway Premiership. So ngizokhuluma ngalo mdlalo lo, indlela iOrlando Pirates approach ngakhona, indlela iOrlando Pirates edlale ngakhona. For me, kule game iOrlando Pirates bakwazile ukui-organize igame. Yabo, bakwazile ukui-organize igame, bakwazile ukudlala kahle abajida. Even though bazi kahle ukuthi kune game ebalekile abazoyidlala ngeweekend, but abayizelanga le game le ngale mentality le yokuthi bayidelela cha. Yabo, even though there were many players who were not present kwi-squad sanamhlanje, but indlela abadlala ngakhona. Yabo, I'm not saying this because the team iwinile. All I'm saying is that emakhanda abo indlela ade bedlala ngakhona ade kungekho ukuthi igame kune-game abazoyidlala le bayidlala just because yabo they are just using this game just for a practice. No, they were playing le game le bedlala u3 points. U3 points ubaluleke kakhulu bafethu. Ileyo nto engifuna ukuyi-highlight. U3 points ubaluleke kakhulu yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje ngezinto engiyithandile engiyibonile kule game le bafethu. Ngizoqala nje ngemuva. Emuva bafethu ngizoqala ngosibelebele. I always tell people about usibelebele. Ngihlale ngibatshela abantu ngosibelebele and abantu abaningi isaqala isizini babethi hayi fani usibelebele ungcono as a-winger because medlala as a-winger uyakwazi usinikeza something. No, usibelebele akaze asinikeze something as a-winger. Akaze asinikeze something as a-winger. Mina ngiyazi into engikhuluma ngayo. You have to go back kuma games Orlando Pirates ayewadlala. Usibelebele wayedlala as a-wing back, right wing back. Esuke emuva. Yabo, usibelebele bafethu from now on i-team kumele imhlalise lapha emuva because mehlala emuva I don't think abantu abaningi bazongiswa kahle. Mehlala emuva he adds more threat kule wing, kule right wing iOrlando Pirates. I-right wing iOrlando Pirates ayikho that deadly. Njengoba ingekho that deadly, we need a player like usibelebele uzokwazi ukuthi akhuphuka ephambili ayo add ama numbers same as a position yangala ka left. Uhlezi umbona Dion Hot uyakwazi uku-add ama numbers lapha phezulu, akwazi ukusiza bani umfuking, uyakwazi ukusiza bani, uyakwazi ukusiza Osuna Police akhuphuke. Ileyo nto ke siyifunayo, yileyo nto esiyifunayo. Ukubuya kwaSiyema namhlanje, uSiyema ubuyile bafethu wasikhombisa something le nto ade siyifuna yabo. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngoSiyema noMbokazi, bayawazi umsebenzi wabo yabo. Noma ngakhora nje igoli elilodwa noma iPirates ngabona ngegoli elilodwa, uMbokazi benoSiyema bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bawenze emuva. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona uTsepang Moremi eqhubeka ekora for Orlando Pirates. This means Orlando Pirates ishaya signing ngempela la. Yabo, ishaya signing ngempela, amanye ama signings la Orlando Pirates ewenzile. Kungijabulisile futhi ukubona uNdaba namhlanje. Ngizomcriticize kancane kuNdaba abafethu ningixolele. uNdaba is a great player. Yabo, uNdaba is a great player for Orlando Pirates, but yabo nginama critics amancane for uNdaba mfethu, kumele awelungise nje amancane. Lento yakhe uNdaba ugood. Yabo, technically ugood, defensively ugood, but mase siya phambili ugood, mase phambili but kunento eyodwa ayishoda ngayo esiyidinga ku wing back. Kunento eyodwa lento yokushaya ama cross. We need to see more crosses from uNdaba. Yena umnandi umjida. Umnandi but ke uma eleka kuma crosses sizobona uDion Hotto eloko eqhubeka edlala for iOrlando Pirates. Sizombona uDion Hotto eloko eqhubeka edlala. Umjida mela dede lama cross lapha ka left. Sifuna ukubona amabhola angene eboxini kushawe nqa. Yena nje umnandi umjida. Yabo, umnandi. Ngokwakho ngangitshela wena ama comments how do you feel ngayo umjida, but for me umjida ukahle. Yabo, ukahle. Kona kwenye izinto engifuna ukuyi-highlighta kwigame namhlanje, sibe namathuba amaningi. We had so many chances in this game, but we failed to capitalize. We failed to score those goals. Enye izinto bafethu kumele ikhulunywe leyo. Angazi. Because sinegame ebalekile siyoyidlala and we need 4 goals. Sidinga nje. Yabo, so meso performa nje simisa amathuba. Ngempela it's a very huge question mark, but I hope the management will work towards that issue ekhona. Yabo, sikwazi ukuthi sicapitalize kuma opportunities osotholayo. We cannot waste ama opportunities kanje. Yabo, but ke let's hope sizokwazi ukubuyela sikwazi ukora 4 goals. Another player bafethu ngizovala nje ngayo Tito Maswanganye. Ngeke ngivale ngoTito khona uzolandela uTito Maswanganye namhlanje. The boy is back. The boy is back. Let's hope umjida izoloku ikhuphuka confidence yakhe. Man of the match performance from him today. I think uyena uyitholile mengaphosisi. uMjida ungidlalele kamnandi namhlanje uTito Maswanganyi. Let's hope uMjida uzoqhubeka i-confidence yakhe ethi ukukhuphuka. Sifuna ukubona lo Tito esasimbona last season. Tito Maswanganyi bafethu ungidlalele kamnandi namhlanje. What a pass. Another player who displayed a wonderful performance today, uSihle Nduli. Sihle Nduli bafethu, he displayed one of the best performances I've seen from him this season so far. Indlela adlala ngakhona namhlanje lapha eswini. Sihle Nduli bafethu. That's how you boss the midfield. Makhehleni Makhawula kuzoba nzima kakhulu. For Makhehleni Makhawula. But ke ngiyayithanda ukuyibona lento le. I-midfield battle ekanje kweOrlando Pirates ngiyayithanda kakhulu. Yabo. Ungangitshela wena ama-comments, how did you feel about this game? But ke for me, it was a standard game. Yabo, nothing too extra. It's just that we missed a lot of opportunities. We need to work on the opportunities we got. Ningakhohlwa ukuyothenga ama-tickets. There's a big game. If you live near Orlando Stadium, if you live in Johannesburg, don't forget to buy tickets and go and support the Orlando Pirates. You saw the banner today. You saw the flags today. I don't know. Maybe Orlando Stadium, yalungiswa. I don't know. Yabo nibonile namhlanje bafethu. But ke I loved ama-fans ethu namhlanje indlela ade wave ngakhona ama-flags akhona and that new banner. I-banner bafethu niyibonile bafethu. Like ngathi team yaphesheya. Orlando Pirates ihlezi izoqala ama-trend. Uzobona amanye ama-team aseyikopela lento mase kuthiwa uyibona. But ke angikho lapho. Ibinjani igame namhlanje bafethu? Ungitshele ama-comments wena, benjani ama-positives akho, abenjani ama-negatives akho. Uvane lo bafethu. Ngiyawabona ama-video akhuphuka.